a while since I started this. Let it prime for a little bit. Finally had some time to start working on my car. Seeker front end's been like chilling for like the past year. Here's the fenders right here. They look pretty OEM compared to stock. Got the fenders on. Put my headlight vent in. But overall, fits really fucking good. Super excited for this. Overall, the Seeker front end, Seeker doesn't fit too bad. You know, not too bad. Fitment's pretty good for the most part. I mean, nothing's perfect. I'm gonna do a little spoiler. It's falling off a little bit. We'll do a little rear lip with the JDM FD1 bumper. So I have a whole FD1 OEM rear. Just can't get over how good this looks. It's just crazy. Super excited for this. It. I was gonna test fit the bumper, but I don't have headlight brackets or anything like that, so I'll just probably do that in another video. Overall, I'm pretty damn happy for the way everything turned out. Super sick.